What's up, guys? Today we're just down the road in Texarkana, Texas, here at Friday's Trailer Sales. We're here with Josh Friday, and we're going to learn a little bit more about Friday Trailer Sales and what do they do here. So, Josh, how long have you guys been in business, and how long have you been here?
So we've been in business since July of 2019, and we've been at this location since March. So we're still new over here, still getting recognized.
Still breaking it in.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. So how long have you been with Diamond C Trailers?
So we started with Diamond C, I believe, September of 2019. So very early on, we were fortunate enough to partner with Diamond C, and it's really the majority of what we do around here is Diamond C.
Okay. Well, what led you to kind of want to work with Diamond C and keep Diamond C on your yard?
So it's kind of funny. I was brand new in business, just looking for people to partner with, and I was just searching the internet. And I ran across Diamond C's website.
Okay.
And Engineer Beam was probably about a year old at the time.
Yeah.
And I just looked at the website and was like, whoa, this is cool. If I have the opportunity to sell this product, I want to be with these guys. And so I went through the process of trying to get on. Initially got denied. And then a couple months later, a couple weeks later, Jacob Crabb sent me an email and said, hey, come visit with me. And we've been with Diamond C ever since.
Well, awesome, man. We appreciate it, and we're glad we worked it out and we got to be in a partnership together. So what can customers expect, a Diamond C customer that's on our website? They find you. What can they expect when they come to Friday Trailer Sales?
So we are a small organization. We're really the definition of a mom and pop dealership. So whenever you come in, you're going to talk to either myself or my wife, most likely. And then one thing since the beginning we've taken pride in is selling through education. So what I mean with that is we're going to ask you what type of trailer you're interested in, and then what are you going to be using it for. And we're going to explain things like payload capacity, which is GVWR minus the empty weight of the trailer. And a lot of times we find out what people think they want is not at all what they need. Yeah, so we're going to do our best to sell you a trailer that you're happy with after the sale, that works best for your application.
Good. That's awesome. Well, we appreciate you doing that for our customer because we want to make sure that they're taken care of. So if you're in the Texarkana area, come by and see our friends here at Friday Trailer Sales.